Is your Nissan Rogue key fob not working? It's likely the battery. For 2008-2020 models, a CR2032 battery is used, or CR2025 in some cases. These fobs are simple for DIY replacement. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. First, locate the seam on the fob. Gently insert your tool and pry it open, separating the two halves. Be careful not to damage the circuit board. Remove the old battery, noting its orientation, positive side up. Insert the new battery the same way. Snap the case back together. Now test the remote. Replace the battery and your remote still isn't working? First, double-check the battery polarity. Positive side should be up. Clean the battery contacts inside the fob. Corrosion can prevent good contact. If that doesn't work, your fob might need reprogramming. Try the vehicle's ignition method. Insert key, turn to on, press fob buttons, or consult your Nissan dealer. Apps and OBD2 adapters are becoming more common for DIY diagnosis of fob-related errors, but dealer service will generally provide the best service. According to expert opinions, 70% of key fob issues are battery-related, so these steps should help.